To apply Old Navy promo codes, start by finding a valid code from a reliable source such as the Old Navy website, email newsletter, or a coupon website. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the code to understand any restrictions or requirements. Next, go to the Old Navy website and start shopping by browsing through the various categories or searching for specific products. Add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you have all the items you want to purchase in your cart, click on the cart icon to view your shopping cart. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then click on the Checkout button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, look for the promo code field, usually located below the order summary or in the payment method section. Enter the promo code you found earlier in the field provided, making sure to type it in exactly as it appears, including any uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. After entering the promo code, click the Apply button to see the discount reflected in your order total. If the code is valid and meets the requirements, the discount will be applied and you will see the new total. If the code does not work, check that it has not expired and that you meet the requirements, such as minimum purchase amount or specific products. You can also try contacting Old Navy customer service for assistance. Finally, complete your purchase by entering your payment and shipping information, and click the Place Order button to finalize your transaction. By following these steps, you can successfully apply an Old Navy promo code and save money on your purchase.